We are told to solve 6x squared plus x minus 12 is equals to 0. When you have the quadratic equation 6x squared plus x minus 12 is equals to 0, to solve by completing square method, all we have to do is just to what? Add 12 to both sides. So that minus 12 will cross the equality sign. So for you to do that, you have it as 6x squared plus x is equal to 12. Minus 12 crossing the equality sign. The next thing to do is look at the coefficient of x squared. The coefficient of x squared, which is the leading coefficient, we have to divide through by the coefficient of x squared, which is what? 6. So when you divide each term by 6, divide each term by 6. If you divide, you can see that the leading coefficient is now 1. X squared plus x over 6 is equal to 2. So the next stage we are going to look at is to look at the coefficient of x. The middle term now is 1 over 6. 1 over 6 is the coefficient of x. So we are going to half the coefficient of x and then square it. And to half simply means to multiply by 1 over 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 6 times 2 is 12. So we are going to square it. So since we've gotten 1 over 12 squared, we are going to add it to the left-hand side and to the right-hand side. So here we have that x squared plus x over 6 plus 1 over 12 all squared is equal to 2 plus 1 over 12 all squared. Then the next thing is just, this is now factorized. So you can now see we have it as x plus 1 over 12 squared is equal to 2 plus 1 squared is 1 over 12 squared is 144. Okay, so here you can see we have x plus 1 over 12 all squared is equal to, LCM is 144, then this is like over 1. So you have it to 288. 144 divided as 1 times 1 is 1 plus 1. Okay, so you can now see we have x plus 1 over 12 all squared is equal to 289 over 144. We take the square root of both sides. Take the square root of both sides. If you take the square root will cross out the square. Observe we have that x plus 1 over 12 is equal to, square root of 289 is 17. Square root of 144 is 12. So, and this will bring about a positive and negative solution, please. So here you can now see that we have x to be equal to 17 over 12 plus or minus 1 over 12. At this stage, you have it that x is equals to plus 17 over 12 minus 1 over 12. And this will be 16 over 12. So here you divide. 4 divided is 3. 4 divided is 4. So you have it as 4 over 3. Then the next one, x is equals to, for the minus 17 over 12 minus 1 over 12. And that will be minus 18 over 12. If you divide by 4, 2, you get 6. If you divide by 2, if you divide by 6, you get 3. If you divide by 6, you get 2. So here you have it that x is equal to minus 3 over 2. So x is minus 3 over 2, or x is 4 over 3. Bye-bye.